Good morning friends, welcome to Canines Coach. Friends, today we will show our passing out dogs, that is Charlie. He's completed his 2 months of training, and his Scotch, he's also completed 2 months of training. So we are testing the dogs for the completion of training. So we will first check the dog for on-leash training, and second off-leash training. So I will give the command to our handlers, that is Deepak and Rakesh, to perform the things. So I will be testing the dog for their obedience and discipline, right? So Deepak, पहले leash के साथ walk, grab the leash, मेरे command, चल दो, turn. So you can see I am giving the command. On my command, the dog is turning. Turn. So this is actually wheel walk. The dog should walk along the handle on the wheel. Stop. On my command, the dog should stop and sit. Walk. Turn. Stop. Stop. Sit. Stay. Drop the leash. Move. So in this we can see the dogs are staying and they are not distracted with the presence of other dogs. Even I am moving also, the dog should not be distracted. Recall.
Charlie, come, good boy.
And the dog should go to the handler. Right? Again walk. Turn. Stop. Sit. Stay. Recall and gauge my distance control.
Charlie, come, good boy. Stop, sit,
So you can see distance control, sit control.
sit. Charlie, stay.
You need to correct the posture also. Sit properly.
Stand,
Uh,
stay,
properly. Right.
stay.
So on command, down.
Down, Charlie, down. Stay. Stay.
On command, rest.
Stay. Rest.
Rest. Stay.
Stay.
Down.
Stay.
Roll.
Rest.
Roll. Good boy. Charlie, roll. Very good.
Sit. Heel position.
Charlie, come. Heel. Stop.
Shake hand.
Shake hand. Next hand. Good boy.
Stay.
Stay.
No command.
No.
So you can see when the dog
No.
treat is been given and treat is been
No.
dropped on the ground,
Stay.
and dog is not touching it.
No.
So this is absolute treat. Okay, treat very good. So I will
Stay.
test if the dog is having treat from my hand or not. No, he is not having
Stay.
treat from my hand. That means he is absolutely disciplined. He is listening to the hand and the command given.
Good boy.
Okay. Now I will test the Scotch also.
Full command.
Sit. Good.
No more.
Stay.
Mere.
No. Good. No.
Charlie.
No.
So this is what I am expecting the dog to do, and the dog is
No.
doing it absolutely same. So I am allowing the handler to treat.
Stay. Good boy.
Now we will check the dog for his off-leash training. So दोनों साइड में आ जाओ. लीश निकालो.
Charlie, stop. Stay.
Come. Good. 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 Come. Good. Come. Come.
Yes.
Stay.
Even the dog is getting distracted. The handler
Stay.
should not panic. Walk.
Good boy. Charlie, come. Heel. Good boy, Charlie. Sabas. Good boy.
So you can see completely off. Dog is walking off his turn.
Good.
Boy. Sabas. Charlie.
Good.
Boy, heel.
So handler getting adjusting
Charlie.
the dog to his position. Turn.
Charlie, good boy. Come.
Right. Walk properly. Very good. Rhythm में आ रहा है. Very good. Turn and stop.
Good. Come.
Turn and stop.
Stop.
Stay.
Stay.
So dog is absolutely in stay position without leash also. So that means the dog is obedient and dog knows how to follow the command. Recall.
Charlie,
Stop.
come.
Very
Good
good.
boy.
Squad, come. Good boy. Sawas.
Very good boy.
Squad. Come.
Yes. Watch also come. Right. Chalo. Again. Stop. Sit. Turn. Stop. Sit.
Charlie, stop. Stay.
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 Now distance control without
Stay.
leash.
Stay.
Stay.
बुला के बीच में रोकना है.
Charlie, come. Good
Ah,
boy.
stop.
Stop. Sit.
Sit.
Stay.
Stay.
Proper sit posture.
Sit.
Stay.
Charlie.
So. No. Again.
Stay.
Charlie.
Stay.
Stay.
Stay. Down. Down.
Down. Down.
Dog is following the command from a distance. Recall.
Come. Good boy. Charlie. Come. Stop. Hey.
Very good.
Dom.
No command.
No. No, Charlie. No.
Good boy.
No. Stay.
No.
Very good.
Second
So
hand.
this is what, friends. So we train the dogs for obedience here. So you have seen the dog is performing on leash also, off leash also, and dogs are absolutely under control. You can see the hyperness of the stay, long stay, and move. So even this stay command, the dog should stay for a longer period of time. These are the things we do at Canines Coach. So proper training, consistency, and right approach to the training will deliver this kind of results. Thank you.